Now let's see how we can add icons into our program. First of all, I need you to go to your Google and then search for material UI icons. And then after that, just go ahead and click on the first link that comes out. Okay. Go ahead and wait for it to load. And after loading, it should display some things on this place. Okay. So by the way, React icons are just the way you add icon into your website. And there are so many ways to go about that. And today we want to make use of material icons. Okay. We want to make use of material icons. All these icons, you can just see how we can add it into our website. So these are loaded, and all I want you to do is to go ahead and click on yarn. Okay, make sure you click on yarn because we started off with yarn. So after clicking on yarn, go ahead and copy it by clicking on this icon here. Okay, that's copy icon here. Click on it, you should copy, and then come to your program, and that's your VS Code. Click on this plus so that it can go ahead and open a new terminal for you. Okay, after that, click on Ctrl V to paste on it. To paste the code you copied on it, and then allow it to download. Okay. Why this is downloading, what I will normally do is to go ahead and then under my assets, I will just go ahead and create I can just say icon, just the way we did for images. I can just say icons.js. all right, icons.js. I can just go ahead and do this, and we still need to wait for this to finish up. Okay, so come to your browser. Maybe while that is loading, let's say we want to add this icon, this account circle icon into our browser. What I would do is to just click on it. Okay, I'll just click on it and it opens up this thing. Okay, it opens up this thing. I'll just click on this particular thing now. It will just copy, as you can see, just copied. Okay, and go ahead and then come to your icons.js here and then paste it. Okay, after pasting it, I just need to do something. Just the way you did for image, just do export and then account, just same thing here. Okay, account circle icon. All right, so just go ahead and export that. Okay, that is for that one. Let's say we just need another icon. Let's say we need maybe a house icon. Just need to put in something like that in our browser. I can just go ahead and type in Chrome. Okay, and I'll just select anyone at all that I want. Let's say I want to go with this. I will just click on it and then still click on this place. It will copy, and after it's copying, I'll just go ahead and come over to this place and paste this as well and copy this. I'll just add a comma here and then come over here and I'll paste this. Okay, remember this is still downloading and it takes a while. Just make sure you have a strong internet connection. It takes a while. Okay, so while it's still downloading, I'll just say I need to add it into my home page. Okay, since I need to add it into my home page, what I will just do is to go ahead and call that particular thing. Let's say this is what I need to add. Okay, I will just call it from, remember I'm in my home page. Okay, I'm just going to import it from my what is it called again, images folder and then icons. Okay, actually it should have been images and then icon. It should have been icon on its own, but since we have done that mistake, let us continue. I mean, as you can see here, it says assets, images and icon. Okay, so it should have been assets, icons, okay, and then another icons, but we can just go ahead and proceed with what we have currently. Okay, that's no problem at all, as long as we know what we are doing. All right, it's just a way to structure your web, your folder rather. So once you are done with this, just go ahead and do a self closing for it. Okay, just hold on for this thing to finish. Okay, hold on for this thing to finish so that it can be displayed on the browser. Okay, so we are gonna wait for it to finish. Okay, great. It have just finished installing the material UI and everything needed to install. I'll just come here and save this in my file. Okay, I'll just go ahead and save this in my file I don't know why it's still showing error here. I'll come here, click on this button, on this node rather, so that it can show me the correct one we are working with. Okay, you can also go ahead and delete this particular one since we are done with that icon stuff. Okay, so don't mind is showing me error here. There's no error at all. Okay, so it's just coming from my PC. Okay, so as you can see here, it's not showing any error, meaning that we don't have any error at all in our program. So I'll just go ahead. Remember, we have added the icons in our icons in our icon.js. Okay, and we have also exported it. And then since I've exported it, I will just go ahead and come back to the home, and then I will import it from where I exported it from. Okay, so I will just go ahead and click on Ctrl+C again, and then come back to my browser and come back to my program. As you can see, we just have this icon added on our home page. Okay, on our home page. So that's basically how you can just add an icon to your browser. In case you just want another one, let's say this account icon, just copy it and then repeat the same thing by just doing something like it, and then I'll click on the Control space bar so that it can give me some suggestions on where I want to import from. I'll click on this and it imports on top. I'll go ahead and closure. Okay, and then after that I will just check my browser again once more to see it, and here it is. Everything is working just fine. Okay, see you right in the next episode.